You already know that DesignPLUS provides time-saving tools to help you build elevated, accessible Canvas courses without any coding. But have you seen the powerful new features in DesignPLUS that enable you to do things in Canvas that you never thought were possible? No more feeling overwhelmed by a blank canvas. The DesignPLUS QuickStart Wizard provides an easy way for all course designers, regardless of skill, to build engaging, accessible Canvas content using pre-built content blocks and templates that embrace your institutional branding and best practices. Then, you can use the DesignPLUS sidebar to further customize the course content. For example, you can easily add engaging interactive learning activities that enable students to check and reinforce their understanding. And with accessibility built in, you can be confident that all students can benefit from these interactive learning opportunities. With the new Personalized Tokens feature in DesignPLUS, you can create a more customized experience in Canvas by embedding placeholders that dynamically update with the student's name, the current date, term, course name, and more. You may also know that DesignPLUS can save loads of time in the process of creating, styling, and updating course content, but did you know that you can now make updates across your course with a single action? Imagine that you changed an expectation in your course that is mentioned in every assignment. The course search tool enables you to find and replace all instances of it with the touch of a button. Or update the design across your course by changing the theme, all from a central location. Whether you're just starting out or have been building content in Canvas for years, DesignPLUS continues to provide the tools you need to elevate your course designs, simplify accessibility, and scale best practices. Request a demo today at CidiLabs.com.